You can talk.
Hi,
What's going on?
I lost my tooth.
Let me see. Get right up here. Whoa, you don't have any front teeth. What's going on?
I pulled it out.
You pulled it out?
Yeah,
With what?
with my finger.
I think you did it with an apple, didn't you?
No,
No?
I did it with.
Is it hard to eat?
Yeah, I can only eat soft things.
Oh my gosh, that's crazy.
Well, I could eat broccoli. I have to eat on the side though.
Did anyone at school notice?
Yeah.
Did you have your tooth chart?
Yeah.
What do you do?
I put a sticker on the September plate.
For the tooth chart?
Yeah, so you know I lost it in September.
How many people have lost teeth in September?
Counting me the 2 times.
Kate? Oh, are you counting on your fingers?
4.
4, counting
Well,
you?
I lost 2, and then 2 other people lost them.
Super
So
cool.
there's 4 stickers on.
That's great. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Did the tooth fairy come?
Yeah. She gave me a $1 bill.
Didn't you tell me today that you wondered what you look like?
Yeah.
What do you think?
I know.
Where are you going?